Today, we're going to talk about the nervous system and how it powerfully impacts your ability to create more wealth and abundance. Your nervous system essentially evolved so that you could run away from a lion. You were basically, out there on the savannah, and you needed to be able to spring into action, run away from the lion before you even thought about it. Because if you were to sit there and go, there's a lion, I better start to run in the other direction, you're going to be dead, right? So the nervous system essentially was there to kick you into this sense of fight or flight response so that you could run away or fight off the lion and you could survive another day to breed and make more babies and perpetuate the species and continue on continue your family line, your ancestral line. The problem is, in our society, there are no more lions. And so our nervous system responds with a fight or flight response to almost any stressor that we're experiencing. And that fight or flight response that we step into, that we end up getting into, that was incredibly adaptive back in the day when we were running away from lions, no longer serves us and actually keeps us stuck.